Hi guys, welcome to the video. Quick mess, let's try it again. And today we are dealing with an inequality. Now, on a normal case where maybe let's say you are solving for x in question 1.1, you wouldn't want to multiply these brackets out. But now the reason why I multiply these brackets out is we are using this trick in this algebra series whereby at the end where you're supposed to do the number line thing, uh you use this sign, so that's why I multiplied out. But I'm gonna show it to you. All right, let's go. Let's just get these cv's, critical values. Cv x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. These balls are actually for, let us say you were given x is less than or equal to. So whenever we have a sign like that, you are going to shade. But today we don't have a sign like that, so let us just continue. Right, so it's going to be 1, it's going to be 2, just the way it would be in a real number line. So yeah, so now the reason why I multiply this, you wouldn't need this, but if you are part of this algebra series, the reason why we multiply this out is to actually see this a. If this a is positive, you're simply going to put positive here and here, and then it's going to be negative in the middle. But because now today this a is actually negative, we are going to put negative, negative, and then positive here. Now let us see what this does. This actually brings us to this, whereby the equation says x has to be less than 0. So this is less than 0. X has to be less than 0. So now we want where x is less than 0. Guys, where x is less than 0 is where x is negative. Period. It's my period. Right, so we are going to do this. Because it's, if we are going to put this line here, it means that x is positive, but we don't want that today. X has to be less than 0. All right, so now we are actually going to do the two ways whereby we conclude. Right, today I'm actually going to start with the one that is a parabola. How did I do it? That's how they do it. Right, and there's a 1 here, there's a 2 here. So they're actually looking for the parts whereby x is negative. Now we know that this side is negative, this side is positive, this side is negative, so we are simply going to shade this part. That's how they do it. They simply shade. The second way you can actually conclude is to actually say x is greater than 2 or x is less than 1. All right, this is the last one, and I'm gonna use some type of restriction. I don't know what it's called, I've forgotten, like seriously. All right, so we're now going to say x is an element of negative infinity to 1. Put a square bracket because the 1 is actually there, we can see it like it's there, but the negative infinity, we don't even know what negative infinity is, right? And you can also say x is an element of 2 to positive infinity. And just like that, thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you next time. Do not forget to like and subscribe, especially if you found value in this video. I'm gonna see you next time. Watch the next one because it continues. It's a series. Sharp.